Hi guys, here a more detailed explanation of the top 5 hosting provider for anyone looking to choose the right one using the internet. Number 1, HostGator. HostGator is a well-known hosting provider with a strong reputation for user-friendly services. If you search online for review, you will often find HostGator prices for its reliable performance, easy setup process, and a wide range of hosting options. It offers unlimited storage and bandwidth on many of its shared hosting plans, which is great for websites with growing traffic. HostGator also provides a 45-day money-back guarantee, giving user time to test the services risk-free. Plus, they offer a free website migration services, which can be super handy for users switching from another host. A quick online search will show that HostGator consistently ranks as a solid choice for both beginner and more advanced users. Number 2, Bluehost. A favorite for WordPress website, Bluehost is one of the three hosting providers officially recommended by WordPress.org. If you are building a WordPress site, it's a simple search will show Bluehost as a top contender. Its plan including free domain registration for the first year and free SSL certificate, ensuring your website is secure from the start. Bluehost one-click WordPress installation make it super easy for beginner to get started. Users often command Bluehost online for its 24/7 customer support and its intuitive dashboard will simplify the process of managing a website. Number 3, DreamHost. DreamHost is known for its focus on privacy and long-standing reputation for reliability. DreamHost offers unlimited traffic and storage. At It's one of the few hosts that provide free domain privacy, protecting your personal information online. When you search for a DreamHost review, you will often see users highlighting their 100% uptime guarantee, which means your website should stay live all the time. DreamHost also stand out with its 97-day money-back guarantee, one of the longest trial period in the industry. It provides for users who want more time to evaluate their hosting provider before making a commitment. Number 4, Hostinger. If you look up budget-friendly hosting, you will find Hostinger mentioned a lot. Hostinger is the go-to option for users who want affordable plan without sacrificing performance. Starting at just $1.99 per month, it's one of the cheapest web hosting provider available. Despite its low cost, Hostinger offers features like free SSL, weekly backup, and fast load time. It's ideal for small blog, personal website, or new user trying to get online without spending too much. Hostinger often prices in online review for being beginner friendly with a simple control panel and helpful customer support. Number 5, SiteGround. For users who value a customer support and performance, SiteGround often top the list. Online searches will show that SiteGround is highly regarded for its stellar customer service, offering 24/7 support via live chat, phone, or ticket. It's also great for WordPress hosting with optimized features like automation, update, enhanced security, and built-in caching for faster load time. SiteGround is a bit more expensive compared to other providers, but users online frequently point out that its speed, reliability, and Google Cloud infrastructure make it a worthwhile investment for more serious projects.